How to redeem Keybank rewards. Keybank is a U.S.-based regional bank, offering retail, commercial, and investment banking services. It provides financial solutions like personal banking, corporate finance, wealth management, and investment banking, catering to individuals, businesses, and corporations. First, download Keybank application from Google Play Store or App Store. Log in to our mobile banking app. On home page, click on My Reward. Select credit cards from your list of rewards. Tap View or Redeem. On the rewards summary screen, select how you'd like to redeem your cash back. Select how you want to receive the cash. You can choose a deposit to one of your eligible accounts. Click OK. Tap Redeem All or enter the amount you want to redeem and then tap OK. Review the details for your redemption, then drag the toggle down to complete the redemption. You've completed your redemption. Click Done. That's it. Thanks for watching.